How to make money online by uploading photos. What's up, guys? My name is Philemon Shepoy. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you a way how to make money online just by uploading photos, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, subscribe to the channel because I post videos on a daily basis that teaches you how to make money online in whatever way I can, guys. And if you're enjoying this video so far, like this video, guys. And the way I'm gonna show you is basically you selling basically t-shirts, right? T-shirts or hoodies online, and you making your own product, and I'm gonna show you the way to sell them and find the best traffic for them, right? So let's get into the video, guys, into my computer. Right, so we are in my computer. You wanna use two websites, right? For where you can get your free customized hoodie or something, or t-shirts, right? So you can either use Teespring, right? Teespring, or Spreadshirt. So either way, which one, they're all nice. I prefer Spreadshirt, right? So we are using Spreadshirt in this one, right? So with Spreadshirt, what you want to do basically is, so here they sell different types of hoodies, right? You can either shop for your own hoodie if you want to, or create your own. Now in this way, in this one, we are gonna make our own hoodie for free. We don't have to pay for anything. We're gonna make our own hoodie for free, and then sell it, right? So and we're gonna make our own logo, right? So let's say, so we're gonna choose a product. What product we want, right? So do we want the men's let's just say for example a men's premium hoodie, right? So a men's black premium hoodie or something, right? So let's say right? So okay, let me just pick this one, this black one, right? So nope, I said a woman. Nice, right? So okay, let's just say a woman. So it's 33 bucks, right? So let's say select this product, and then now here they ask you to put whatever design you want, whatever text you want, and if you want to upload a picture, you can, right? So now in this way we want to upload a picture, but then you're asking, now Philemon, how are you gonna get the picture to upload and everything like that? I got you, right? In this video, so basically what you want to do now, because these ones are not very good ways of designing it, right? We want to use two ways. So it's a free way. You can either you go to Canva, where you're gonna create a design that you see all the hoodies that are written by for example, I love cats or something, right? I'm gonna pop it up here somewhere on the screen. You can see it right now. It says I love cats, something like that, right? So those are the types of hoodie we wanna create, right? So we are gonna use either Canva, right? So it's a free tool, or a popular tool like Photoshop, but it's called Photopea or Photopea, right? So I don't really know its name, but it's an online tool. It's a free tool, right? So what you're gonna do now is, right, so in this case, you're gonna use Photopea or Photopea, whatever you wanna say. I'm gonna say Photopea, right? So we're gonna use this, and we're gonna create a hoodie, right? The picture of the hoodie here, right? So and then we're gonna say, for example, let's pick two things, because what you wanna do is target two niches, right? For example, say I like to make money online while I'm working, right? Or something. Or I like to for example, I like drinking my coffee while walking my dog. Two different things. Or for example, yes, I'm in the military, but I love NBA. Something like that, right? Two niches, because if a person says yes, I'm in the military, they'll be like, okay, yeah, I'm in the military, so I'm a buy it. But I love NBA, right? So it's two people from the military and people from the NBA. Both niches can buy the thing, right? So that's the thing. And in this case, people, the best places to sell this, right? I'm gonna show you a free method, but the best way to sell this is basically online, right? It's basically selling, like movies are one of the trending things right now. So if you can sell a t-shirt or a hoodie according to movies, something like that. So like for example, let me say the Creed 2 passed out. So for example, I like going to the gym, and let's say for example, I like going to the gym and working out like the Creed or something like that, right? So it's a movie. in this case, let's say a popular movie that's gonna upcome that's coming out, right? That's coming out, right? So, for example, there's a movie called Hobbs and Shaw, Fast and the Furious franchise, or there's Bad Boys 3 that's gonna come out. So you can even make that, right? So we're gonna say Hobbs and Shaw, right? So Hobbs and Shaw, right? So Hobbs and Shaw. Let's just say Hobbs and Shaw, right? So we just want to see their images, right, and the text. Now you want to create a hoodie according to this, right? So you wanna create a hoodie according to Hobbs and Shaw. And why you wanna do this? And it is converting because it's gonna. And we wanna find similar text to the Hobbs and Shaw way of writing the text of Hobbs and Shaw, right? So we are gonna go in here. You can go to this platform called. You can find out other platforms where you can download fonts if you want other good quality fonts like school fonts or horror fonts related or any types of fonts. Exactly, here are the different types of fonts, right? But we don't have that much time. I only got you for about 15 or less than 15 minutes, so we're gonna do this with what we have, right? So by the way, I'm using a 800 by 800 thingy paper, right? So the first layer, so you want to create let's say, for example, something that has to do with Hobbs and Shaw, right? Like I said, so you're gonna pick whatever thing you want, whatever thing that I say the thing similar to that, right? So I know this one I picked, this one is not similar, but let's just say it is, right? So let's just say it is, right? So we're gonna make it big size, let's say 2, right? So let's say something like we are fast, right? So I am fast, right? Something like that with italic. Where's the italic on this thing now? I don't know. It's italic, right? We are fast, right? So something that says we are fast, right? So let's say whoa, okay, we are fast, right? And then you wanna move it somewhere there, and then that says okay, and then you wanna write something here, but, right? But, right? It's a big but in there, like but what, right? But, right? Let me just show you a quick way. We're trying to do this something, guys, but not that big, no, not that big, but okay, just something like that, right? But right? Are you furious? Right? So something that goes to the line of okay, it's Fast and the Furious franchise, so it's a good way, right? We are fast, but are you furious? Right? Oh, are you furious? Something like that. That's something that says, hey, we are fast, but are you furious though? Right? Because as we are fast, but are you furious? Right? Because it's going along the lines of we are fast and furious, right? So you get what I'm saying. So you wanna go there. So it's like okay. So he's fast. Are we furious, right? So it's two people who are fast and people who are furious. Right? This is not gonna fit. I just realized that now. Okay, right. So let's just say okay. Now I'm really doing this fast, guys. You don't wanna do this, and then you just wanna put the image of, for example, a car here, or something that has to do with fast and furious, like for example lightning and furious, something that has to do with furious, by you adding this, by you basically getting an image, uploading an image, or getting an image from Google, not Google, but a simple image that's not copyrighted, right? So and you wanna make it according to like this according to that, right? And then say, hey, we are fast and but are you furious? Something like that. And then you wanna save this document. You go to file here, and then say take picture or save as PSD or whatever way you wanna save it, or export as PNG, BHP, blah blah blah. Right? So according to whatever this platform wants, right? And then you wanna upload your photo here. Now the good thing with this platform, you can make this white layer, you can make it black. You can make this layer whatever color you want. Right? It does not have to be. It does not have to be white. It can be whatever color you want it to be, I think. right? So if you just find out a way, I use Photoshop, right? So that's the way you do it, right? Now the way to sell this, it's a very interesting way. You can sell this two ways, right? Like for example, this is going to the movie scenes, right? So you can do this with NBA, or there was like the Super Bowl that was up, so you can go to the Super Bowl. You can do this two ways. I'm gonna show you two ways. You can either, for example, let me say, let me just Google this right now. This is fun for me because we are gonna Google this today. Let me just say release date, right? So let's say Fast and Furious release date, right? So okay, it's August 2, right? It's August 2. So and we both know that in August 2 the cinemas are gonna be fully jam-packed with people that want to watch the Fast and Furious franchise because it's a big movie and things like that, right? So what you wanna do is you wanna go to the cinema with your hoodies, you print out these hoodies, and then you ship them to your place, right? So they're 33 bucks. So you can sell them for 50 bucks, right? And then what you wanna do is don't make them like you're selling them. You go to the cinema, to local cinemas in your area, like 5 different cinemas in your area, and you don't wanna go there on the 2nd. You wanna go there either on the 30th or the 31st, or even a week before the 2nd of August, right? A week before the 2nd of August in the USA, whatever state you are in, you want to go to all your local cinemas a week before and say, hey, can I put my logo, like, can I put my hoodie here, and then just like make a poster of your logo, of your hoodie, of we are fast, but are you furious? But make different design and different things that has to do with, like, for example, the movie thingy or the movie scenes or something like that, and then you say, hey, can I put my hoodie here, somewhere, have a stand, like have somewhere, or like just let them put it like at the counter somewhere, and then just like a paper, like buy hoodie, Fast and Furious hoodie for how much, right? So can I put my hoodie here, and then can I put my hoodie here, like 5 days before, something like that, right? And then what you're gonna do is people when they come buying the tickets, they're like, huh, okay, so there's even hoodie. The cinema is even selling hoodies of the Hobbs and Shaw movie franchise, right? And people are gonna be excited because when you wanna buy a hoodie, right? So you are in the movie zone. So even you buying a hoodie, you feel all moody, all zoned out of the movie, right? So you will obviously buy the hoodie. I will obviously buy the hoodie because the movie is selling it. But no, it's not the movie selling it, it's you, but you are making the cinema, you're just making the cinema go there. You're just putting it on the cinema for the cinema to display it. Work out a deal with the cinema. If they want to pay or something, then pay them. If they don't want to, if they don't want to do anything, just stand along the cinemas with your audio. It's a quick way to make 50 bucks, honestly, if you're not lazy. Just stand there, people are gonna buy or something, right? So be creative with this, right? So you wanna stand there or at the NBA games and I love to ball, but math is the best, or 2-point shot on my math calculator, something like that. You see what I'm getting here? So that's the first way to go to the places, for example, cinemas or NBA games or football games or whatever, good places, right? So and you want to have 2 niches, right? And the second way is to go into Facebook groups. Different types of Facebook groups. As you can see here, the Facebook page group or page of Hobbs and Shaw already has 71,000 likes. Right, 71,000 likes. Right, so you can do this. You can either so you wanna look up groups. Exactly. So this one is, you wanna look up for groups. At least going to 5 groups and going with 5 different design, or the same design into at least 2 or 3 groups. Not maximum 3 groups with the same design, so they don't see that you're spamming them. And then you say, hey guys, look what I just, and then you just go to, hey guys, look what I found out. If you wanna, let's all wear these during the Hobbs and Shaw movies, because obviously these people who like this page are movie fans, and they like the movie thingy, right? So obviously they wanna wear, obviously. So like, hey guys, let's be in the movie zone and let's wear our zone, our thingy. Here is where I found it, and then you just put your website there and read the Facebook terms and things like that, and something like that, right? So that's how you do it. So thank you guys for watching. Those are the 2 easiest ways to make money just by printing pictures, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. right, so check out my #1 recommended way to make money online, the way that makes me money, affiliate money online with affiliate marketing. Check it out. It's my #1 way, the one that makes me tons of money that I don't have to do this, even though it's very beneficial, right? Check out my #1 recommendation link is in the description, guys. And if you've enjoyed this video and you found it valuable, guys, like this video, guys. I really appreciate it if you like it, and give me your feedback on it. Give me your feedback on how I'm doing the videos and structuring everything, guys, and tell me how it's looking, the quality and everything like that. So I really want to hear your feedback in the comment section down below. So subscribe to the channel, guys, if you are new here. Don't forget to like this video, like once again, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.